It's Friday, March the 18th. It's 3:44 a.m. Today I'm going to talk about sacrifice. What are you willing to give up for what you want to get? Talked about this a year ago when I first started my YouTube channel, Passion Video Productions. At the time, I was willing to sacrifice my bedroom. I gave up my bedroom. I moved all the stuff out of my bedroom and moved it into the living room and turned my old bedroom into my YouTube studio. I started small and I worked my way up to it. When I first started to go after my vision, it was 2018. Over the course of the 5 years, I've upped the ante of what I'm willing to sacrifice to get what I want. I was working at Food Basics a few years back, maybe like 2016. This assistant manager, he noticed that I would every break I'd go over and I'd buy a medium coffee. He made me think about the long haul, about how much I was spending. When he added it all up, so I drink 3 coffees a day, times the price of the coffee, times how many times I do that in a week, times how many weeks there is in a year, and then what that total was and what I was spending on coffee. But every time I'd go buy a coffee after that, I started to feel bad about spending money because I knew what I was doing. So I guess maybe one of the first steps is just learning. That's all I'm really going to say today. I just wanted to share some tips on how I've been able to make some progress and what sacrifice and staying positive has done for me. So give it a shot. See how it works out in your life. Try it out for 90 days. Give it a 90-day challenge. And if you could do that, make it past that, extend it. Extend it to 6 months. See how much money you could save. See what you could do. Not even money, like it doesn't have to be money. Give up something that frees your time. One thing that I learned over the last little bit of time is that either you'll find a way to do it or you're gonna make an excuse why you can't do it. So I choose not to make those excuses anymore and just to keep going hard. All right, guys, keep going after what you believe in. Peace.